I got a special treat for you this evening. A young man that you all know is...
Hey everybody, this is Dr. G with Dr. G's Migraine Magician. I had some interesting conversations with some former students and colleagues in the last week or so, and I wanted to share some of those back with y'all because I thought it might be interesting for those of you that are following us or those that see this and might decide you want to follow it. So in previous video, shared having to have a situation my wife was experiencing a migraine attack and walked in her using the Migraine Magician. So to try and demonstrate how a real migraine sufferer might use this, she is someone that she's found that Hagu point is effective for her, and adding that layer of control and rigidity of the device really helped her. But the other piece of this, many of you know that I'm a university professor. In fact, everybody involved in this project is connected to the university in some way. I've got my friend, I can hear him working in the background, Mr. Bill Bradley, head machinist at one of the local universities. He's helped so many kids over the years, helped us too. Mr. Ben Greenberg, who started Inventions Unlimited on Taylor Street over here in Columbia, South Carolina. A company that exists to help people bring ideas and concepts up all the way through prototyping and into manufacturability. And a friend of mine I played soccer with 35 years ago who himself teaches and coaches at the university level up in the Greenwood area. Of course, my wife, my stepdaughter, and others involved with this. In my career, I've been at engineering in some form or the other for 30-something years. I've got patents and publications, I've made presentations, I've written technical reports, academia, university, national lab. Like many others, not a lot of experience taking an idea from a sketch all the way through prototyping and into manufacturing and distribution without wrapping it into a larger corporate environment. But if you think about what our kids are coming into, our high school kids and college kids, every year I see kids that have great ideas and they come and they ask, how do you get this off the ground? And so we give them the best advice that we can. We link them up with people, we talk to them about all the avenues they have. But one thing we want to do with the Migraine Magician is demonstrate that. So we've done the prototyping, we've done the patent filing, we've done the early work. We have devices that we know, based on early results, seem to help those that are using them, have tried them. Now we want to take it to manufacturability, and that's where you all come in. So again, we're getting ready to launch a Kickstarter. Our website is migrainemagician.com. I'll put it up on the end of the video. What we'd like to do for something like Kickstarter is that is a route that is available to a high school or a college kid who may not have a bunch of money saved up to do this. Plus, you get ideally the people built in that have already seen the products that you have, be early people to distribute it with. That's the idea. We want to demonstrate that as we get this device in and out. And so we would ask that you come in. If it's something that you might want to back, go to migrainemagician.com, join our website list, join our email list so we can get it in front of you. If you know other people that might be interested in this, whether that is because they're migraine or stress tension headache people, or because they're do-it-yourself engineers and tinkerers and you just think it might be neat for them to see, we'd love to have them join into the community because the reality is the numbers say the more people we get to view it, the more we get it into y'all's networks, the more we get people that might want to back us when we go to Kickstarter, and that's the next step. We're not trying to raise a ton of money, but we're trying to raise it. We want to get it raised as quickly as possible so that we can take this idea and run with it. There is a vibrant and growing engineer and entrepreneurial community here in the Columbia, South Carolina area. And when you look at places like Austin, Texas, you look at places like the Research Triangle and the communities that are all around the country, why not here? Why not Columbia, South Carolina? We have a great community of very gifted and hardworking kids, all the way back to our high school and college students. We want to be part of that. We want to help lead in that. We want to help develop that community. So again, migrainemagician.com. Please come join us, and we'll talk to you again. We'll see you soon in another video. Bye.
I believe the children are our future. Thank you. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside.